Hi there, we met on LinkedIn. As I mentioned in my intro, we specialize in helping businesses like yours find tailored partners and clients, expanding your network to drive growth. LinkedIn is a really good place to start. Maybe you already spend quite a bit of time on the platform. Maybe you are even very proficient at using it to further your goals. But let's be honest, LinkedIn is not your business. Though it is ours. It's what we do. Only thing we do, pretty much. And we do it really well. So here's the deal. You probably have much better things to do than manage your LinkedIn. And that's where we come in. We'll present your products and services to the prospects and make sure that everything is followed up on, so when they say, "It sounds interesting, but let's talk in a few months," we'll make sure it will not fall through the cracks. In short, we'll make sure that all the time-consuming and sometimes boring research and outreach is done, so you only step in when they're ready to talk business. So let's make this easy for you. We'll take care of LinkedIn. I'm very sure you have better things to do. If this sounds at all interesting, let's meet for a quick chat. I'd love to show you how we can make LinkedIn work for you. Cheers.